Hi folks, just showcasing another build we did recently on the blog of a Flounder gig. This kind of goes in tandem with the Flounder Lite we just posted a video for. If you want to see the instructions, just look in the description. So the gig is fairly simple. It's all made of PVC and it's about a 6-foot pole. It's intended to be stowed away, so when you're traveling nothing sharp is exposed. So the gig actually twists into itself, which you can see right here. To undo it, you just simply twist it, and as you pull out, the single prong gig is exposed. It's single prong because I use it for wading instead of on a boat gigging. It doesn't have a barb, but it is made of all thread, which helps the fish stay on once you gig it. The black and white stripes actually are functional. They were all painted with 1-inch tape. So when you're out gigging and forced to field judge the size of the fish, you can use this to accurately predict its size. So that wraps it up. Hope y'all enjoy it.